Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. For those who don't know my name, so today I am back at Oyingbo, where I'll be showing you the construction ongoing right here in Iddo. The last time I was here, I wasn't privileged to show you what the Oyingbo train station looks like. Today I'll be showing you, though I wasn't granted access inside the station, inside the ongoing station due to the construction ongoing there, but just from a little bit far distance I will show you what the station is coming up to be. I can tell you this station is pretty much coming up really fast. Among all the stations along the Redline, the Lagos State Rail Transit, the Redline corridor, I can tell you this is as much as the fastest that is coming up among all the other stations. So today, just from a little bit far ahead, I'll be showing you what this station looks like. And not only the station that is pretty much getting in shape, also the flyover is also getting in shape as well. The flyover, which I previously showed you, is also getting in shape. So from where I am seated is just a fence that is separating me from where the construction is ongoing. So I'll be showing you what it looks like so you can see for yourself how this construction is taking shape really fast. It's just some few meters away from the old station. Just a couple of days ago, the roof sealing ceremony was also held for this station by the contractors. So you can see this station is already taking shape really fast.